So if you've been bothered about making money off the YouTube platform, even as a new creator on YouTube, worry no more, because at the end of this video, you should be able to know how to make yourself hundreds and even thousands of dollars off the YouTube platform. Again, if getting to the YouTube partnership program threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours has been what has been limiting you from making money off the YouTube platform, good news, because I bring you exciting news on how you can go ahead and make money off the YouTube platform even without getting to this requirement threshold. All right, so if this is what interests you, I want you to stick with me till the end of this video. So if you're a returning viewer, you're the real OG, and if you're seeing me for the first time on this channel, my name is Frank. I make videos around making money online, and I lay emphasis at the moment on social media growth and monetization. So if that's what interests you, I want you to go ahead and smash the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever we get to upload amazing content just like this one you're watching right now, you're going to be the first to be notified by YouTube, and obviously be the first to take advantage of the video. Don't forget to smash the like button to help these videos algorithm, so that YouTube can actually go ahead to show this video in front of those who actually need to see this video. And lastly, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video at the end of the video. Okay, alright guys, so that being said, let's dive right into today's video. So here is exactly how to start making money off the YouTube platform as soon as today. So generally, bringing everything down together, to make money off YouTube, you need to be doing these two things, right? Number one is you need to be creating content consistently on the YouTube platform, and number two, you need to be selling something on the YouTube platform. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and break this down for you so that you understand and actually go ahead to implement this. All right, and I'm actually going to start in my order of the list to the top recommended, right? So firstly, to make money off the YouTube platform, you need to be selling products. Now it could be a digital product and it could also be a physical product. Again, you may own this product yourself, or you are actually selling for some company, some people, and this is actually called affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is actually when you are actually partnering with some other company, some other person to actually sell their product and then earn a commission out of what you actually sold the product for. All right, so it's either you're selling a product or you're actually affiliating with some other company to actually sell their products and earn commission. So what do? Whenever you put out your video here, you want to go ahead and include the link to that product in the description section or in the comment section, and then your viewers go ahead to click this link and then they go ahead and buy these products and you earn your commission from them. So for digital products, let's assume you have a course you are selling, a course which you've actually put together that actually teaches somebody how to do a particular thing, right? So it could be a course on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, YouTube content growth and monetization. Just any course at all put together that actually releases value, that actually passes value, that actually teaches somebody how to do something. All right, so you go ahead to put this course together and then put it on a digital platform, and get it ready for your customers to actually watch it. So you could have something like that for your digital products. Then you can also go ahead to partner with companies. There are companies out there looking for people just like you to partner with them, okay, to sell their products and then any commission out of whatever the customer is actually paying them. This is actually called affiliate marketing. So this is actually the ways you can actually make money off YouTube by selling products. So what you want to do is catch the link to this product, put them in your description section or your comment section, and then your viewers go ahead to click the link to this product and then they go ahead to make purchase, and while you earn the commission. All right, a quick marketing tip about selling your products on YouTube. So if you're actually selling the product in your description section or in your comment section, one of the tricks you can actually apply is you can quickly make a quick video review about the products you're actually selling. Let's assume we are making a review on a digital product, let's say a product that talks about affiliate marketing. So you want to review the course in entirety. You want to talk about what the course actually teaches. You want to talk about the advantages of getting the course. How maybe a testimonial of someone, how someone actually got the course and at the end was able to implement what was in the course and then make sales and was making money. So you want to actually go ahead to review a product. It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product. So once you are talking about something, okay, you're actually saddling your viewers with this mindset that okay, there is something authentic about this product. So they're actually going to rush down to actually click on the link to that product and then make purchase. So a very quick way of actually getting your viewers' eyes on your product link is to actually make a quick review about the product. So the number 2 way of actually making money off the YouTube platform is through partnership. So this is when a company actually reach out to you, asking you to help them make a video about their brand, about their products in general, promoting their products to your viewers, and they actually tend to pay you a commission from the service you want to render to them. But then before a brand can actually reach out to you, you must have built some credibility on your YouTube profile. You must have attained some height on YouTube. You must have grown on YouTube to a certain level where it gets to attract this type of people to actually reach out to you. Okay, so if you are actually looking at brand partnerships on YouTube where you actually want to get these companies to actually reach out to you just so you can make a video for them, an advertisement video for them, talking about their product and services. I mean, creating awareness about their product and services to your viewers. You have to make sure you build your YouTube up to that standard where they can actually trust your brand, trust that you're going to actually deliver. And this build up is actually by consistently making high quality content and uploading them to your space here on YouTube consistently, brushing up your profile, making it look more relatable. Okay, so in this way you get to get these people love your profile and they want to reach out to you just so you help them create some awareness video about their products and services, and you tend to earn commissions from them while doing this. And then the third way you can actually make money off YouTube is by being accepted into the YouTube partnership program. So this is where you actually have attained the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours threshold for the YouTube partnership program. Once you've been accepted into the program, what happens is whenever you put up a video out there, YouTube tends to actually include some ads into those videos, and then when your viewers go ahead to watch these ads, okay, that actually converts into money for you, and at the end of the month YouTube tend to some of this money and then pay you out for your effort, for making videos and allowing them to actually place ads on those videos. So this is what has actually brought about sustainability for a lot of creators here on YouTube. Okay, so if you're watching me right now, you want to go ahead and fire up your YouTube channel, you want to go ahead and sell products, you want to go ahead and build up your profile, your capacity, just so brands can actually reach out to you, just so you can make partnership videos for them and get paid. And you actually also want to build up your subscriber counts and your watch time hours just so you get to this monetization threshold for the YouTube partnership program, just so you start getting paid. So if you're watching me right now and you've not yet gotten your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to being accepted into the YouTube partnership program, I'm going to actually link a video here on the screen and you want to click on it. So that video actually showed you practically how you can actually grow your subscriber and watch hour count from 1 to whatever number you actually want it to be, just so you can be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. All right, so guys, click on this video and I'll see you on the inside. Let's go.